Let's take a look together at the newly released Redmi Buds 8 Pro. The build quality this time is quite impressive, not really like a product in this price segment.
Especially this mist blue color I have with its spray painted metallic finish and silver fine light effect 2.0 design. It's truly exquisite and premium. You can see the remaining headphone battery at a glance. Regarding its specs, it features 55 dB flagship noise cancellation and a coaxial triple unit driver. This optimizes the magnetic circuit diaphragm design from the previous generation, improving bass sensitivity. Plus, the dual DAC drive enhances the sound quality experience with better layering. For audio decoding, these mainstream HD standards are all supported, and it has also received high-res gold certification. For the first time, it features Dolby Atmos, bringing richer sound, significantly elevating the overall sound quality of the Redmi Buds 8 Pro. For noise cancellation, it's upgraded to Xiaomi Deep Space Noise Cancellation 3.0, achieving 55 dB 5kHz ultra-wideband active noise cancellation, and also offers stepless dynamic noise cancellation. Intelligent Noise Cancellation Mode adjusts its scheme in real time, based on environmental noise and how it's worn in various settings. What's interesting is the built-in commute mode. Once activated, it uses sound to cancel noise, effectively reducing external interference.
And the 8 Pro features a triple microphone array, paired with Xiaomi's custom AI called noise cancellation algorithm. Even in a 95 dB noise environment, calls are still crystal clear. Now we're on this street, what do you think of the noise cancellation? Things like dual device connection, audio streaming, audio sharing, karaoke, and loopback functions are all included.
This time, the Smart Find feature can also show the earphone's last connected location on the map, making it easier to find them if they are lost. Of course, if you get the chance, I still recommend visiting a Xiaomi store to try it. After all, seeing is never as good as experiencing it yourself. Anyway, I feel the Redmi Buds 8 Pro's product strength has greatly improved this time, both in sound quality and noise cancellation, plus a better personalized experience. The price is also very fitting. So, what would you rate it?